All right, guys, so we're right here outside of Red Rock Casino Resort and Spa. Let's check out the view. There's a lot of waterfalls here in this area. Also, there's a lot of restaurants, and it's quite an experience to be here. The vibe is excellent, and I could say from personal experience after staying here multiple times, it is one of the best resorts in Las Vegas. Follow me. All right, guys, let's go in. Alright guys, a big plus for this place is that it has a really big food court. Starting off, we got a Panda Express. We got ourselves a Fat Burger. Also, we got ourselves a sandwich shop called Caprati's. We got ourselves a pizza place called Side Piece Pizza. And of course, a lot of people's favorite, Wingstop. Of course, we got ourselves some ice cream. And I know this is a really big thing for a lot of people, is do they have coffee? Yes, they do. They have 2 Starbucks. This is one of them. There's a lot of options, there's a lot of variety in this place. Also, they got an Auntie Annie's. Okay, if you have come with a family, you're in the perfect spot. Let's go check some of them out. They have a place called Kids Quest, which has a bunch of little activities for little kids. Also, they have a state-of-the-art movie theater from Regal and a bowling alley. Let's go check that out. Alright guys, we're approaching the Red Rock Lanes. Come follow me. One of the cool things that they have here is Red Rock Lanes has their own store where you could customize your own bowling ball. So we're gonna go into the store and check that out. Alright guys, check this out. We got here, of course, the one and only Dodger bowling ball. There's also a lot of other options here. I think this might be one of the coolest ones here. Spider-Man bowling ball. How awesome. They also got a lot of custom shoes here. That way you don't gotta use the same ones from everybody else. Hey guys, check this out. As 2 added bonuses, you get a small arcade here called CyberQuest, and if you're a big Skittles fan, you're gonna really enjoy this. Your own Skittles machine. Check this out. It looks like it's a lot of fun. Alright guys, we're going to our room. But first, let's check out that view. Alright guys, let's check out our room. We got a luxury 2 queen bedroom. It comes with a soaking tub, a shower, dual vanity sinks, and a 65-inch TV. It also has a lounging area with an astonishing view of outside the pool. Let's check it out. Alright guys, check out that view of outside the pools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's check out the view from outside during nighttime.